Hello friends, ever noticed you may keep returning to the same feelings? Feelings like sadness, anger, betrayal, or being a victim. Well, friends, that's an emotional addiction, and you may feel like you are caught up in a never ending loop. But the truth is, you can be absolutely be free. Yes, friends, you heard it right. You can live a life full of freedom, clarity, and joy. At Sacred.Soul.Science, we have created Mumbai's first personalized pyramid meditation and healing center, a sacred space where natural meditation under pyramids empowers you to release the old and step into the new. Pyramid energy repairs your auras, heals your chakras, calms your mind, and connects you to the deeper subconscious, helping you to build intuitions and inner strength through which you can come over your hurtful emotions and be aware to break the negative or repetitive cycle of suffering. We are certified therapists in inner child healing and regression therapy, helping you to resolve challenges from the roots, acting as a powerful catalyst in your journey of healing. So what are you waiting for? Come book an appointment with us. Thank you.